We're bringing the heat. Going to feel like July as we get through the middle of this week, and the long range forecast still looking pretty toasty there as well. Now you see that area of low pressure that sits right out over Louisiana. That brought us rain a week ago, and we've had this blocking pattern type setup that has not allowed it to move very quickly. So it has brought heavy rains to the Gulf Coast. That area of low pressure has also kept the ridge of high pressure south of us from building, but that starts to change the next couple of days, and the heat really starts to move in. Take a look at this. That area of low pressure over Louisiana starts to shift off to the east, eventually into the Ohio River Valley as we get into the midweek. And then that ridge of high pressure south of us starts to send heat, a southwesterly flow up from Mexico and right into North Texas. And we're really going to feel the brunt of it for Texas as we head through the next several days. But the central U.S., it's really the central and southern plains where things will be the warmest. In fact, take a look at this. We get into tomorrow. We head to the middle 90s, which is 12 degrees above average. Places like Bismarck, North Dakota, into the low 90s there as well. That's more than 20 degrees above average. Our hottest day is as we head into Wednesday, when we head close to the triple digits. Some spots across North Texas will get there as we head into tomorrow afternoon as well as Wednesday afternoon. Now we've got a first alert weather day on tap for Wednesday. It's going to get warm. We have seen warmer, but it is our hottest day of the year. And as we approach those triple digits, the first one of 2025, just some reminders. We've got that first triple digit heat of the year possible. You want to limit that time outdoors and take some of those safety precautions. Now, as far as current conditions, a very mild and seasonable day. We sit at 83 degrees currently. Winds are starting to shift from the north back out of the south as we get into the next few days. That really heats us up. Now, as a result, I expect this won't be the last ozone action day of the week. We have the heat, the clear skies, and the calm winds, and that allows that ozone production to ramp up. As a result, we've got that air quality alert for today. Then we get into the middle of the week. Tomorrow's record is 95. That's my forecast high. Wednesday's record is also 95. I think we shatter that forecast high of 99 degrees as we get toward Wednesday. Thursday, I don't think we break that record. That record's 97. Cold front knocks us down into the lower 90s by Thursday. Now here's a look at that high temperature forecast for the rest of North Texas as we get into tomorrow. Spots like Breckenridge up to 104 by that point. We get into Wednesday, we're in the upper 90s, close to the triple digits across a lot of the region. So it's just hot next few days. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. A reminder, we have that first alert weather day for us on Wednesday for that heat. Just make sure you're taking those precautions. Stay hydrated really all week. We're still in the 90s Thursday. Rain chances ramp up, but only slightly. It's not a washout into the weekend, but where storms do set up ahead of this dry line, they'll have a severe threat. So that's something we're going to keep a close eye on into Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and Sunday afternoon.